Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my cousin Issa, and today we will be talking about the ECX stadium truck.
I think it's a really good RC to play with, taking off ramps, going off-road. I think it's just really good for starters if they want to have RCs.
If you crash it into a curb, it scratches the bumper a bit, and we have broken a few things. It's very tough.
I wanted to feel how fun it was having your own RC. My first RC was the stadium truck, and it's a very good toy for starters if they want to have RCs.
It goes about 40 kilometers, and the best area to drive it is either on bark, dirt, gravel, and you can also do jumps.
We recommend this car
Because it's
awesome and cheap.
woo!